Good afternoon. I am in this section, grade 11 Yung Salazar. Last time, we are able to witness a recitation of the 1987 prom NB test. This time, we have a representative from this section reciting the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Let's watch it.
The 1987 Philippines Constitution. We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God, in order to build a just and a human society, and establish a government that shall embody our ideas and aspirations, promote a common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessing of independence and democracy under the rule of law and a regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace. Do ordain and promulgate this Constitution. Article 1, National Territory. Article 2, Declaration of Principles and State Policy. Article 3, Bill of Rights. Article 4, Citizenship. Article 5, Suffrage. Article 6, Legislative Department. Article 7, Executive Department. Article 8, Judicial Department. Article 9, Constitutional Commission. Article 10, Local Government. Article 11, Accountability of Public Officer. And Article 12, National Economy and Patrimony. Article 13, Social Justice and Human Rights. Article 14, Education, Science and Technology, Arts, Culture, and Sports. Article 15, the family. Article 16, General Provision. Article 17, Amendments of Provision. Article 18, Transitory Provision. That's